In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your very own Minecraft server using Hostinger. If you've ever wanted to have fun with your friends in your very own Minecraft world, you're in the right place. We will walk through the steps to get your server up and running smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's log into the Hostinger platform. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first and verify your email address. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Minecraft server hosting section. Hostinger provides a very user-friendly interface, so you should have no trouble finding it. You'll see a variety of server plans laid out for you. This is the point where you select the plan that suits your needs. Consider factors like how many players you expect, what kind of gameplay experience you're aiming for, and your budget. Once you've picked your plan, it's time to choose the location for your server. Server location is vital as it affects the latency and speed at which data travels between players and the server. For the best performance and lowest latency, try to choose a location that is closest to where most of your players are based. This will help in reducing any lag and provide a smoother gaming experience. After you've made these selections, it's time to move on to configuring your server settings. The next step involves choosing the Minecraft version you'd like to use. Hostinger supports a variety of versions, so pick the one that your group prefers to play on. You'll also need to allocate RAM to your server. Keep in mind that the more RAM you allocate, the better your server will perform, especially if you plan to use a lot of mods or plugins. Configure these settings based on the scale and demands of your server. With everything set up, it's time to start your server. Hostinger makes this easy with its intuitive control panel. Just hit the start button, and your server will boot up. Once your server is running, you'll want to share your IP address with your friends so they can join your world. The IP address will be visible in your Hostinger control panel, so simply copy it and send it to your friends. To get the most out of your server, you'll likely want to manage plugins and set up backups. Head over to the plugin section through the Hostinger panel. You can browse and install plugins to enhance your server's functionality, making gameplay more exciting. Regular backups are crucial as they ensure that you can restore your server to a previous state in case something goes wrong. Hostinger provides easy access to these tools, ensuring your server is always in safe hands. That wraps it up for setting up a Minecraft server on Hostinger. Enjoy your new virtual world with your friends, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.